Hey guys, so if you clicked on this video, you either have been a subscriber of mine for a long time or you searched up the question, my child wants to wear makeup, what should I do? And I am in your predicament right now as well. My daughter is 11 right now and she's in 6th grade and she has shown some interest in makeup recently. And you know, she's in middle school for the first time, she's seeing like some 7th and 8th graders wearing some makeup, and she's definitely shown interest in makeup, which is something that she's never really shown interest in before, and she's really wanted to kind of experiment with makeup. So this got me thinking, you know, I want to make a place online that parents feel safe sending their kids to learn like these really basic makeup techniques. I'm a makeup artist, so I know like the really basic techniques. I know really good ways to help kids learn, and I also want you guys to know that I'm not going to over teach makeup. Like, I don't want your kids wearing like massive amounts of makeup. This that you see on my face right now, this is not what I'm going to be teaching your kids. I'm going to teach them extreme basics. So that's kind of my plan, and I just want to also say like a little disclaimer. I know that this topic can be a little controversial, but the thing about makeup, I think a lot of people think like, oh, makeup is just, you know, to make insecurities go away, or they feel like they have to wear it to be beautiful, and that's definitely not the case at all. You know, I feel like makeup is a very artistic thing, and I remember my mom used to let me kind of play in her makeup when I was little. She had like this big makeup drawer of all of her like Clinique freebies and stuff, and she used to let me just play in her makeup, and I remember loving it. And it wasn't about like looking prettier, it was literally just having fun and playing around with it. Because of that, and because of, you know, the freedom that I had to kind of play around with makeup, I've grown to absolutely love it and just see it so much as like an art form. I love doing like Halloween looks and all of that kind of thing, and makeup really truly is like an artistic thing, and it's a creative thing, and some people find a lot of passion in the creativity of it. And I think it's really important to remember that makeup isn't just about, you know, looking pretty or how can I look better. And I really want to teach your kids like that's not what it's about, you know. Makeup can make you feel more confident, but it's not the only thing that makes you beautiful. But I want kids to also understand that it is an art form and it's really fun, and makeup washes off. You know, you can try new things and know that it comes off, and you can wash your face. And one thing that I can say as well is my child, she, as much as like I know about makeup, like she doesn't really care to learn from me. Like, I've talked to her before like, hey, you want to sit down and we can like, I can teach you how to do makeup or teach you some like basic makeup techniques, and she like really doesn't have interest in learning from me so much. She likes to watch YouTube videos. I mean, kids like to watch YouTube videos, that's just how they are. And so I feel like a good YouTube series is perfect because kids like to watch YouTube. So that's my goal with this series, and I hope that you guys can maybe get something from it. So I'll probably categorize this in 2 different categories. There'll be the preteen category and there'll be the teen category, and they'll be in different playlists, but the preteen is going to be very basic. It's going to be like the absolute basics of makeup, like really simple stuff. And then the teen is going to be just a little bit more advanced, not like full glam or anything like that, but you know, if you're starting to get a little bit of acne or you want to kind of experiment with eyeshadow a little bit more and things like that. So there's going to be 2 different categories that you can kind of choose from. And so in the coming months, I'm going to be uploading to this series, and I have 2 playlists. I have the preteen playlist and the teen playlist. I will put the playlists down below, and I will have them available for you guys so you can watch the videos as you please. So that is it, you guys. I hope that this is kind of a fun little series. I will still be like uploading like thrift hauls and stuff here and there and stuff like that like I usually do, but I really wanted to kind of focus on this series because as somebody that has a daughter that's really kind of like diving into makeup right now, I feel like this could be really helpful, not just for my own daughter, but there's so many young girls that are just getting into makeup and just need some really basic makeup tutorials. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and let me know if there's anything that you really want to see in this series, if there's anything that you want me to share with the kids, or you know, if there's a specific thing that maybe your child's struggling with when it comes to makeup, and I can definitely share it in this series. But I think that this will be really fun, and hopefully it's really helpful for, you know, all of you moms that have kids that are really getting into makeup. So I will see you guys in my first video coming soon. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.